Hey everyone, in this video, we will explore 5 tools that will help you create your social media content more creatively and effortlessly. I am Mohammed and let's dive right in. Let's explore the first tool, AnyWord. AnyWord is an AI content writer with various free options, including the social post generator. Choose your platform, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. Enter your text and specify if you want it to be creative or match your input. Click generate and in a few seconds it provides you with a post, predicted engagement and tone variations. The second tool is SocialBoo, a social media management platform that offers a free tool for generating posts with AI. Specify your topic such as tips for stress in the workplace and hit generate. You'll get a ready-made post in seconds. It's a quick and efficient way to create content for your social media channels. The third tool is PostGenius. PostGenius allows you to generate posts using ChatGPT. It's a straightforward tool. Let's say you want to create a post about the benefits of taking naps. Specify your tone, professional, casual, or informative. Choose the format like summarizing a post. Additionally, you can match the style with an external site such as TechCrunch or CNN. Select your preferred social media channel and click on Generate Post. In a few seconds, you'll have a ready-to-use post with suggested emojis. At number 4 is Microsoft Designer. Microsoft Designer provides AI tools to create visually appealing content in image or video format with just one prompt. Here, in Microsoft Designer gives the prompt like a Facebook post that describes the benefits of daily exercise. Click on Generate and you're ready to go. This AI tool from Microsoft not only generates content in image format but also provides video content. Finally, the last tool is Google Bard. Google Bard is a powerful chatbot like ChatGPT. Visit the URL and if needed, get on the waiting list. Once you have access, enter your prompt such as write me a Facebook post about the benefits of self-care. Google Bard will provide you with multiple styles and drafts for your post. And there you have it. These 5 websites can significantly reduce the time you spend brainstorming content for social media. Thanks for watching.